Today on World Famous Foods, currywurst with French fries, or Germany would say currywurst mit Pommes. Let's cook. Okay, so we're gonna fry our bratwurst first. Okay, so we turned them all over already to about 3 minutes on one side. Got the other side. And if you didn't notice, we're using bratwurst instead of bockwurst like the Germans do. We're doing stuff different today for our famous foods. Okay, so we're going to take our bratwurst off the fire and take them out of the pan. Okay, so now we're going to add some onions to our pan. Now we're going to add our curry, using some green curry paste. And our garlic and our ginger. And just saute this down. Now we're going to add some coconut milk. And a little bit of water. Okay, we're going to add some bay leaves. Then we're going to put our bratwurst back in here. See folks, you guys been fooled. The Germans, what they do is they use ketchup and curry, and they call it currywurst or whatever. You can't really taste the true taste of curry in there. Wait till we finish with this. It's gonna change how you guys eat currywurst from now on. World Famous Foods. Let this simmer for a bit. Alright folks, currywurst is finished. Just show you this here. Good bit there, look at that. Okay, time to enjoy. World Famous Foods. Okay folks, here's our finished product. Our World Famous Foods currywurst. We're gonna serve this with some waffle fries. See the color? No ketchup and curry powder, baby. World Famous Foods.